A big breaking coming in. Sushant Singh Rajput's father, KK Singh, speaks to Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and requests him to order a CBI investigation into the actor's death case. Here is Sushant Singh's father, KK Singh, who speaks with Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, requests him to order a CBI investigation into the actor's death. Here, remember, several stakeholders in the case, including his family members. Riya Chakravarti, in fact, herself, prior to this development, where she has now been accused of abatement to suicide, prior to that, she had also pitched in for a CBI inquiry, a CBI probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. Here is now Sushant's father taking this formal step, speaking with the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, and then requests him directly to order for a CBI investigation into the actor's death. Remember, this comes in the wake of Bihar police as well as the Mumbai police currently at loggerheads as to who should carry forward the investigation into Sushant's suicide. Now, let's quickly go over to Vikas Singh, Sushant's family lawyer, speaking.
पिताजी ने सीएम साहब से रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि उनका पहले भी ऑफर था कि अगर पिताजी बोलेंगे तो हम इसको सीबीआई को भेज देंगे, तो हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि इसको सीबीआई को जल्द से जल्द दे दिया जाए, जिसमें कि कम से कम ये जो एक इंटरस्टेट का झगड़ा बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही, जो कि है नहीं मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि मुंबई ने तो कोई एफआईआर रजिस्टर ही नहीं किया, तो इसलिए कोई इंटरस्टेट का कोई मामला इसमें बनता नहीं था। लेकिन अब जिस तरह से बाधा डाल रहे हैं वो बिहार पटना पुलिस पे इसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने में, हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि इसको जल्दी से जल्दी सीबीआई को दिया जाए, जिसमें कि सारे सच्चाई बिल्कुल सामने आए और जो भी इसमें गिल्टी हैं उन सबको सजा मिले।
Let's quickly cut across to Rohit Singh, our correspondent in Patna currently. Rohit, take us through the details here. We understand that Sushant's father, Mr. KK Singh, is now pressing for a CBI probe, a CBI inquiry. This comes right amid both the Bihar police as well as the Mumbai police currently being at loggerheads as to who should take this case forward. Do you think now KK Singh, Sushant's father, pressing for a CBI probe, he has no faith in either of the police departments?
Well, see, for the last about a week or so, Patna police is investigating the matter in Mumbai, and both the state police are at loggerheads. There's a complete deadlock, and for the last 2 days, the Patna police is not even investigating the case in Mumbai because they are in hiding, because they are feeling insecure that they could be quarantined by the BMC official. So this entire case has been messed up between the fight of the two state police. So amidst all this, KK Singh, the father of Sushant, has today, short while back, spoken to the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, and has sought a CBI probe in this entire matter. And remember, a couple of days back, while speaking to India Today, Nitish Kumar had clearly said that if his father, only father, KK Singh, speaks to him and seeks a CBI probe, he will have no inhibitions in recommending a CBI probe. From now to now, within an hour or so, we believe that the Chief Minister will be recommending a CBI probe in the Sushant Singh Rajput this death case. But there is a big
Rohit,
technicality here also.
You're saying that the Chief Minister has obliged to the request? You're saying the Chief Minister has obliged to the request for a CBI probe?
Well, that's just a formality, because remember, Nitish Kumar has already said 2 days back, if KK Singh speaks to me, if he seeks a CBI probe, I will have no inhibition in recommending so. And now that because Chief Minister has been contacted by KK Singh, so we understand that within maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, the Chief Minister office will be recommending a CBI probe. So that will be confirmed only when he does so, but it's just a formality as per the discussion of Chief Minister of Nitish Kumar and KK Singh.